For years, it was just a dream, a simple idea with a big purpose. A place where anyone, no matter their skill level, could roll up their sleeves and work on their vehicle. Whether you're here to maintain or modify, you'd have everything you need. Tools, lifts, and an extra hand just an ask away. It wouldn't be just another garage. It'd be a space built on passion, learning, and community. In 2021, that dream shifted into gear and became a reality. Welcome to Wingman Garage, a space where the tools are plenty, the lifts are ready, and the help is always within reach. But more than that, it's a place where you're never alone in the process. Whether you're tackling your first oil change or taking on a full restoration, Wingman Garage is here to support you every step of the way.
All right, yeah, so just make sure that stays tight and you'll be good to go, okay? All right, thanks, Paul. Hey there, I'm Aaron, the guy behind Wingman Garage, and I'm excited to welcome you to the shop. This place was built for guys just like us, curious, hardworking, and ready to get our hands dirty. So grab our tools, roll up your sleeves, and let's work on your car together. Because at Wingman, you never wrench alone.